you up. You've been going around every party in LA. Cause you knew that I knew that I'd be at one.